fine. Say they wanna read my mind, they really wanna read my mind. Telling you right now, all you'll find.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Adrian and welcome to Adrian Vlog Season 2. So for today guys, off muna tayo sa katarantaduhan natin dahil sa nangyari lang nito lang kahapon. April 22, 2019, Monday. Sa nangyari pong earthquake kahapon. So mga men, malungkot po talaga ang sinapit ng mga tao sa nangyari kahapon. With a 6.1 magnitude po ang nangyari. So guys, panoorin po natin ang mga videos and slides na papanood ko sa inyo. So guys, balik tayo po muna.
Think about the generations and to say we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them and think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Why? There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel, there will dream, stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. There are people dying. If you care
siguro napanood niyo na nga ang mga nangyari. So, magdasal lang po tayo para sa kanila. Sana wala na pong mangyari. Kahit aftershock, sana wala na pong mangyari. Dahil nakakalungkot po talaga ang nangyari kahapon. So guys, let's see them and help them. Lalo sa mga natirahan. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
And if you really try